Dermabond Prineo skin closure system is designed to naturally slough off, or can be removed using the following steps. Gently grasp the edge of the mesh at one end of the wound. If the edge of the device is still adhered to the skin, gently pick at the edge until it begins to peel away from the skin. Slowly peel Dermabond Prineo system away from the skin by pulling back along the line of the wound close to the skin. Use the other hand to stabilize the wound as the mesh is peeled off. Once the entire length of the mesh has been removed, discard the device in an appropriate waste container. Any residual adhesive and/or dried wound exudate can be cleaned from the skin according to usual practice.